Hello, my dear learners. I'm recording this specific video to prove something. Yes, I'm really thankful for all of you to joining this course. But then I'm really saddened by few things also. That from day one, when I have launched this course, everybody is asking whether I'm good at it or not. I'm good at investing or not. I'm good at trading or not, and only if I'm good at it I should be launching course or teaching other people. Still, there are 24,000 people who joined, who shown the trust. Now the question was, is it really possible to prove someone whether I'm good at investing or not? I think the answer is no, because investing is a long term game, and to prove something that what kind of return I have created, I have to tell you my net worth or my investments, which is a personal finance thing and very personal to me. But when it comes to trading, I think it is possible to prove. There is another misconception some of the learners have, that this is not a trading course but only investing course. So I thought, let me first prove myself as a trader and then earn your respect and tell you that I can also teach you trading. And for that sake, when I started re-recording the future and option classes, it kept on haunting me that what I'm teaching here makes sense or not, whether my learners will have that belief or not, whether I can make money while trading. And since it is possible to prove in trading whether you are a good trader or not, whether you are eligible to teach people to trade or not, what I did that I traded for last 4 days. Well, I'm going to give you the proof that what I made or what I lost or what was the trading which I did in last 4 days and what was the overall return. And for that I have recorded all the files, downloaded the contract notes from last 4 days and putting it into one drive from where you can download and you can check. I started trading last Wednesday and I traded on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today when I'm recording this video, it's on Monday. So in these 4 days I traded, and what I made is something which I'll show you. Not only this, if any one of you want the ID password of my account, I'll be ready to share that as well. But then at least 3 to 4 of the learners can come together and then ask for my ID password for half an hour or 1 hour, and I'll give that. And I'm doing it just to earn the respect and just to do one thing, that I want to restore your faith that okay, the teacher who is teaching me, he is a good trader or a bad trader, and it is possible to prove whether you are a good trader or a bad trader. By your accuracy rate you can prove, by your style, by your approach you can prove. In this drive I'll be also giving you one document on the trading strategy which I used on one product. So all the trading enthusiasts, people who are interested in learning trading, I think they will not lose hope on this course. I know the course content is delayed, but only justification which I have been giving from very long time regarding delay is I am re-recording certain classes. I never thought so many people will join the course. I have also extended the validity. The validity is not only 1 year, but once you have completed the course, after that, that 1 year will start for you. But allow me to give you the best content. Trading enthusiasts who are there, I'm ready to train you on the trading also. Apart from the videos, I'm ready to train batch of people also on live videos if you want, and that is all complimentary. Idea is not to pitch you something which I can't do myself. I'm covering trading strategies, I'm covering future and options, I'm covering option trading strategies and technical analysis theoretically, but this is something which I have done practically. I'll write a document around that, show you on a screen, and also download all the statement and keep it into a drive so that you can verify that. Well, I have used a broker. I had to use one broker. That doesn't mean that I'm promoting that broker, because obviously in the contract note you will see who is the broker. So it is one disclaimer from my side that I'm not promoting you that broker. Another disclaimer which I want to tell you, that I don't enjoy trading. Okay, uh, I have only one vision: to touch a million life. Only one dream, that the stock market should get a very reputable, reputable industry in terms of Indians, so that in eyes of Indians, so that people can invest for long term. However, I never discourage traders. All I tell them, that become good at it, be a full-time trader, and there is no harm. Traders are equally important for the market. They bring liquidity in the market. Well, enough words have been spoken. Let me show you on a screen, which I'm going to record now, and show you what exactly I have done and what kind of return I have generated in last 4 days on a capital of 10 lakh rupees. And I know this sound like little cheap stunt, where I'm going to show you what exactly I'm capable of doing. But then at this point of time, I think it has become mandatory. I'm getting a lot of questions whether I'm here just to sell course and make money, because I can't make money anywhere else. And I thought it will be okay and not a cheap stunt to show you people that what I'm capable of. Thanks. Let's go to the screen and see what can be, what I have been doing for last 4 days. Come to the screen, please. Hello. So let's look at the different statements which I have downloaded. And I'll also show you the broker interface and show you the exact PNL. So I have also taken the screenshot on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. These files are there. I'll show you that file also, but let me tell you the trade summary first, that how much I invested, how much I made, or how much I lost. So I have prepared this Excel sheet, and let me. Right. So on 10th July, which was Wednesday, I deposited 10 lakh rupees with this broker. And at that point of time, I already had 860 rupees into that account. And today on interface, you will see that a total of 10 lakh 60,083 rupees is showing. So in 4 days, it's showing that I have made 10 lakh 60,000 rupees on the broker platform. But if I tell you how much money I have made pre-brokerage and taxes, then it is 16,265 rupees. So on 10th July, when I traded with the capital of 10 lakh rupees, I made 17,868 rupees. On 11th July, Thursday, day 2, 22,657 rupees. Friday, day 3, 16,003 rupees. Monday, day 4, 12,737 rupees. If I do a sum of all these four cells, you get to see that 69,265 rupees. So why it is showing 10 lakh 60,000 rupees? Because it is Monday, the account statement has not generated yet. So on the first 3 days, I have taken these numbers, I added, and the profit was 56,528 rupees. 10,000 rupees was brokerage and charges. Yes, as I keep on telling you about the trading, that you bleed a lot of money in brokerage and charges. I'm lucky that, not lucky, I would say, I mean, I had already considered these kind of costing when I was doing the trading, but I was confident that with my strategies and the forecast which I was doing on this strategy. By the way, these all trades are done on only one product. Okay, I'll show you that. But then if I add the first 3 days, 56,528 rupees is what I made. 10,000 rupees is the brokerage on the first, third day. Fourth day brokerage is yet to be, deducted. And that's why if I add the post brokerage profit of first 3 days and fourth day, then it is showing 59,223 rupees as the actual money in the account. And if I add both of these two money, 10 lakhs 8,060 rupees and 59,223 rupees, 10 lakh 60,000 is what the account is showing. So let me show you on the account, or maybe let me first show you these four numbers, the screenshot which I have taken from the desktop itself. So this is day one, the amount which I said, 17,868 rupees. Day two, 22,657. Day three, 16,003 rupees. Day 4 is 12,737 rupees. I'll anyway put all these files, this Excel sheet as well as these four files, into the drive, and I'll share that link with in the description of this video. All right, now let me show you. So I was using Zerodha as a broker, and as I have already given you the disclaimer, I have no, no intention behind promoting Zerodha, or I have nothing to say against Zerodha as well. It's up to you how you select your broker. I have 4 to 5 demat accounts and trading accounts, but I chose for Zerodha for certain reason, and that's one. And one of the biggest reason why I chose Zerodha is because of the reporting which they do. I am really fan of the kind of report they generate. Okay. But as a broker, how are their charges and costing, their services and everything else is something which you have to evaluate if you are planning to open account with them. As I have been telling you from day one, I don't promote any broker ads per se till now. Okay, because I always thought that my job is to teach you people. If ever I am myself opening certain financial services firm or getting into any business venture, at that point of time it might be a possibility, but at this point of time I'm not promoting any broker. Okay, so as I told you, I have traded using Zerodha, so let me show you the account. Well, this is the account, and as I told you, my current margin is showing 10.6 lakh. 10,60,072 rupees. This is what I have told you, that 10,060, 10,60,083 rupees is what you can see in my account. Yes. So this figure is matching. Then I need to go to their report. So their report is on this console. And first report which I would like to pull down for you people is the statement. As I told you, I deposited money on 10th of June. So from 10th till today, let me show you the statement. I'm sorry for the delay, but here you can see 850 rupees was my account balance. Before 10th, on 10th July morning, I deposited this and started trading this 10 lakh rupees. And that's how you can see the 10 lakh 850 rupees as the account balance on that day. And then there onwards, the different debit and credit which had happened, but that we will see in the P&L statement. So as I said, uh, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday market is closed. So Monday again, today market opened and I traded. What happened today is this screenshot on day 4 I have already shown you. 12,737 rupees is a profit, and you can see that in all the screenshot there is just one product which I have traded, which is Bank Nifty options. Why I traded that, what was the philosophy, what is the mechanism behind that? On that philosophy and mechanism, I'm going to write one document, and that document will be put across the same drive. In brief, I can tell you that it was about forecasting market range and implied volatility of the options. So overall volatility, VIX you can forecast using a lot of techniques, especially artificial intelligence on binary system, where you can with certain accuracy forecast market range also, whether market will stay in that specific range or not. Obviously it will require a lot of factors, a lot of inputs. On the basis of that, your model will give you accuracy, or your model will give you at least the information that with 90% or 92% of the accuracy, historically your model has worked. And at this point of time, I mean, I have done that a lot, forecasting market volatility and forecasting market range. But as a trader, you develop certain insight also, where you probably don't need to fit in everything into the system. but all you need to do is risk management and trade management. So I have mostly done that. However, there is a philosophy behind it, there is a mechanism behind it on which I will write a document and put into the same drive. As I said, that drive will be there in the link of this YouTube video. So 12,737 is today's PNL before tax, before charges, brokerage and other government charges. So what was the first 3 day charges? So first 3 days, on Wednesday I started, Thursday and Friday I traded, and it should show you a report here. Okay, so this platform is little not responding. Let me open it in another window. Right, so report PNL. Okay, so since it is taking time, let me log in again and show you people. Or I can say that let me first log out. In IT world, one thing always work. Log out the system and try to log in again. I mean, that always works. So let me first log out. This is a little embarrassing now. So, okay, here you have, and then I'll go to console. Yes, reports, PNL. Hopefully this time it should come, as I told you. Every IT system work in that way. This is a magic or miracle for me. Future and option, Wednesday 12th, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So first 3 days statement I'll show you. Here is the report generating. Thank you. So this 56,052 rupees is the first 3 day profit. But obviously out of that 10,000 rupees has gone to brokerage and other government charges and other regulatory charges. So overall net profit is 46,800 rupees, 46,485 rupees in the first 3 days, and fourth day is what I shown you already. Well, here is the Excel sheet. So if you see, I have shown you 46,486 rupees as the post charges profit of first 3 days. These accounts are matching. Not only that, I think it will allow me to download this statement. Yes, so here it is. So I will download this statement, put it into the drive so that you can also check that what the trades were or what the settlements were. What is the other thing I can download from here is account statement, fund statement probably, which I have shown you. So fund statement from 10th July to uh, 15th, yeah, 10th July to 15th I can take. And okay, so probably again, okay, fine. So this is also there. This is the closing balance for the first 3 days. Fourth day will be added tomorrow. So I'm even downloading this. And what I'll do that, I'll also download one statement tomorrow for the consolidated 4 day return post brokerage and charges. But if you ask me that, obviously these charges can be controlled. Okay, I cannot tell you how or whether there was any challenge with this specific thing because that will be anti-marketing. But yes, in the first 3 days, I paid 10,000 rupees brokerage, which could have been minimized. Okay, uh, so the idea here was to explain you that it is possible to make money in trading, but it takes a lot of effort also. Okay. And if you really ask me whether I enjoy it or not, well, we all have different vision and mission in our life. At different point of time, different thing excites us. But at this point of time, I don't think this excites me a lot. Okay, what I already told you that something which I excites me is probably getting a good reputation for the stock market in India. I'm sure young generation would be very much interested in learning trading, which I'm covering. I'm going to teach you even these kind of trading techniques of option trading strategies, where you can, looking not that only programmers can do. If you really track market really well, you can understand the movement of market, pulse of market, and you practice a lot. Then you understand the relation between implied volatility and VIX, and you learn to also price the option really well, which I'm anyway teaching you all these things into options classes and option trading classes. So if young generation is interested into that, they can do it, they can learn it. It's not a rocket science. It can be rocket science for some people, it cannot be a rocket science for some other set of people. But point what I'm trying to make you here is, I don't enjoy it. I traded it just to earn respect of those people who were ridiculing that, since I don't trade, I don't make money, I have no other option, and that's why I'm teaching. I know not all the critics can be answered, but then at some point of time, you get frustrated. I think it's probably my frustration. I wanted to answer those people that no, I can make money, and but I call this a sin money. Let me tell you, it is a sin money. Stock market is not for, you come and then you mint money and promote this to other people to do it. That's not really a great idea, honestly speaking. Recently in India, there was a news. I mean, India became one of the country where you have maximum number of derivative trades. Let me tell you, derivative is not just for the trading, it is for the risk management, it is for hedging, it is to solve certain business case scenarios as well. You are an exporter, you are having a revenue in dollars, you are expected to get dollars after 2 months, and you want to hedge that $2, $2 lakh or $2 million, whatever your account receivable is, against the dollar fluctuation. At that point of time, put option, call option, or even the futures can help you hedge your businesses. Okay, you can hedge, you can apply the risk management on your big portfolio. I mean, that is the reason why you have derivative. But when you get a news that your country has the maximum number of derivative trade, let me tell you something, that it is not a matter of pride, because we don't have that kind of businesses which needs to be hedged by, or that kind of portfolio also which needs to be hedged by derivative. These are not hedging derivatives contract which has been traded. It is purely trading which has been done on these things. I can guess and tell you that 90% of the derivative volume would have happened only because people are trading in them to mint money, to generate money, to become rich overnight. However, a lot of them would be losing a lot of money because of these extra leakages which happen in terms of the brokerage and other regulatory charges. So uh, you want to be a trader, be very, very, cautious in terms of making this as a career. Acquire all the required skill set. I do have my limitations with this course. I would be able to teach you up to a certain limit, but then if you really want to become a good trader or a great trader and want to flourish into this field, you have to explore more, you have to research more, you have to put your own effort more, and first prove it on the paper and then do it in the market. Otherwise, you will get sandwiched into the emotions of fear and greed. On that note, I would like to close this video and add one part to it. Whatever the money which I have made, 70,000 or post tax 58,000 or something, I am going to donate it. You people have to tell me where, and that money will be donated. As I told you, for me, this trading income has become a sin money, honestly speaking. Okay, I don't want to. As a teacher, whatever I have, I'm ready to teach you all. But then I don't want to take this money home. So you all students can tell me that where this money needs to be. I'm not going to trade, by the way, further. Okay, I traded it to gain my own, this thing that I wanted to get into that zone before making those classes. As I told you, I'm re-recording them. So you tell me where this money needs to be. This will come around 58,000 rupees, and I'm ready to donate all this 58,000 rupees out of 70,000. 12,000 will go to the other charges, and 58 approximately will come as a pure profit to me, and I'm ready to donate it wherever my learners, you people who are watching this video, will tell me. And you can comment below the YouTube video, or if I'm uploading it also on the Facebook, you can comment below there also. Okay, if some of you want to make a group and do the donation by yourself, I'll transfer this money to you. Thank you very much, and hope to see you in my live doubt sessions. Yes, as we keep meeting there, we'll meet again and learn more thing. I'll clear more of your doubts, learn more thing from you. Thank you.